Hello everyone and welcome to our homework. We are going to take the first homework of our unit. So let's go. Here you are going to read some sentences and you have to complete them with the correct verb. But you have to decide if you are going to add the preposition to before the main verb or if you are going to add ing at the end of it. Let's start. Okay, so number 2 says Ian would like. Of course, here is to work out because, okay, the modal verb good would like to work out every day. He does like. In the case of like, you can use both forms. You can say he does like to work out or he does like working out in the gym. He enjoys working out at home. It is a preference, of course. It is emphasizing something. So for this reason, we're using ing. Then number 3, let me see. San he can't, modal verb. We use infinitive with modal verb. San he can't dance, modal verb. She's interested in. We use the preposition in, so the verb that we are going to use here ends in ing. Okay, she's interested in dancing and would like, okay, modal verb good, so two. Would like to dance the tango. Okay, very good. Next, we're going to continue with the same activity. Number 4. Tom isn't good at, preposition at, ing at the end. So Tom isn't good at drawing people. He hates. Okay, in the case of hates, you can use both forms. He hates to draw people or he hates drawing people. Both are okay. But he can. When I say that somebody can, you use infinitive verb. So he can draw animals very well. Okay, number 5 and 6. Amy and Dave usually like, okay, like you can use both forms. So here could be to cook or cooking, but they can't. Okay, modal verb can't, infinitive. They can't cook Italian food. They prefer, when I express preference, I can say both forms, but I recommend you ing, but both are correct. They prefer cooking Chinese food. They prefer to cook. It depends. Because if I say they prefer to cook, it's like a kind of routine. If I say they prefer cooking, you are emphasizing the activity. 6, Erica can't. Okay, modal verb, of course, infinitive. So play the guitar. She enjoys. We are emphasizing something. So she enjoys playing music, but she is not very good at, preposition at, ing at the end, playing it. Great. The following activities similar, I mean, it's the same. In this case, you have to complete a conversation. Let me see. You and I watch too much TV. We need some exercise, says Linda. And James answered, I know, but I don't really enjoy exercising. You know, ing, we are emphasizing the idea. Linda, but you like, and here you can say, but you like to play tennis, right? Or, but you like playing tennis, right? Both are correct. Yeah, but these days I prefer. If I use I prefer, you can use both. Both are correct. I recommend you, if you want to emphasize the idea, to say I prefer watching. Although the other way is okay, but it means that maybe you are not emphasizing, it's a kind of routine for you. How about bowling? Are you good at? Okay, preposition at, ing. Bowling, yeah. but it's always noisy at the bowling, okay, alley. I guess you're right. Well, we can both, okay, in this case, a modal verb comes from infinitive, swim, and the pool's nearby. But it's always crowded. Oh, I know. We both like. In this case, like you can use both. We both like to ski or we both like skiing. Okay. Actually, I can't stand the cold and the snow. Really? Well, are you interested in? Of course, trying, because the preposition in indicates that you are going to use ing at the end of the verb. Sure, I'd like, okay, I would. So in this case, infinitive, I would like to go to the new Thai restaurant in our neighborhood. Good idea, a great idea in this case. Linda, let's think about exercising tomorrow. Okay, that's the way you should complete this conversation. Now the next activity here, you have to answer questions. I know it is free, but I'm only going to give you some ideas how to start these sentences. Okay, for example, what are you good at? Well, I'm pretty good at learning languages. Remember that when somebody asks you, what are you good at? Okay, you say that you are, in this case, I am good at, and the main verb is going to have ing at the end of it. And then you can express your abilities. I can speak Portuguese and French in this case. What are you bad at? You should say, I am bad at. Here in the verb, you add ing at the end of the verb, and you could say, then I can't. In the same way that in the first example, it says, I am good at learning languages. I can speak Portuguese and French. Maybe if you say that you are bad at languages, at learning languages, you can say that you can't speak other languages. Or I am bad at playing sports or games. I can't play football very well in this case. Would you like to play a musical instrument? Would you like? Here, you can answer, yes, I'd like to play the guitar because it is an offering. Would you like to play? Yes, I'd like to play the guitar, the violin, the piano, etc. What movie do you want to see? Yeah, I'm sorry. If you don't like, you can say I wouldn't like to play or no thanks. I prefer that you would say no thanks. Um, oh, no thanks. I am very bad at at playing instruments. In this way, you can have a very good answer. The affirmative, yes, I'd like to play. Thank you very much. No, thank you very much. Bad. I am very bad at playing instruments. I can't play the guitar very well or the piano. What movie do you want to see? Okay, in this case, I want to see, and you can say here, for example, science fiction movies or the name of the movie. What do you know? Sorry, what do you really hate doing? What activity do you hate to do? Let me see. I really hate, and of course you have to add ing at the end of the verb. I really hate cooking, for example. I really hate drawing or playing instruments or playing games. I don't know, but the idea, the grammar that you have to follow is this idea. What do you enjoy doing on the weekend? Here you have to use enjoy. So on weekends, I really enjoy, and ing at the end, I really enjoy reading books, going out, eating out, um, exercising, etc. So that was our homework. Thank you very much.